How to find X username and password. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you have forgotten the username and password of X, or formerly known as Twitter, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover it. The first step is to open settings on your device, then scroll down and tap on Google. Once you're here, tap on Manage Your Google Account. Then you want to head over to Security. Now scroll down and find Password Manager. Tap on this option, then find X on this list. Now over here you're going to find your username. Tap on the I button to reveal your password as well, and from here you can very easily recover your username and password. One thing you have to remember is you have to already save your username and password on your Google account. Only then this process will work. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.